30 family rules that keep peace in the house. Yes, in every peaceful home, there's a pattern, a code that holds everything together. And today, we're sharing 30 family rules that build harmony, teach respect, and keep the peace. These are simple truths, but they make a powerful difference. Let's get started. Speak with kindness, even when you're upset. Hurtful words echo longer than you think. Listen to understand, not just to reply. Real listening is love in action. Say please, thank you, and I'm sorry. Politeness isn't old-fashioned, it's timeless. No yelling unless there's danger. A peaceful tone brings peaceful results. Always tell the truth. Trust grows where honesty lives. Keep your promises or explain why you can't. Reliability builds relationships. Take responsibility for your actions. Blame divides, ownership unites. Resolve conflicts before bedtime. Don't carry anger into tomorrow. Treat others how you want to be treated. Simple, powerful, essential. Share chores, share appreciation. Teamwork makes home work. Apologize sincerely when wrong. Real strength says, I'm sorry. Don't interrupt. Let them finish. Every voice deserves space. Screens off during meals. The best connection is face-to-face. One voice at a time during discussions. Peace has a rhythm. Let's keep it. Don't slam doors. Calm first. Handle your feelings, not the furniture. Celebrate each other's wins. Their success isn't your loss. Ask before borrowing. Respect boundaries, big or small. No name-calling or sarcasm. Words can bruise deeper than fists. Forgive quickly. Don't keep score. Peace needs grace. Work through problems. Don't go silent. Silence doesn't solve anything. Say, I love you often. Love spoken is love strengthened. Check in on each other daily. A little concern can mean a lot. Laugh together every day. Joy is the glue. Respect quiet time. Space heals. Keep shared spaces clean. Clean space, calm mind. Put things back where they belong. It saves time and tension. Practice patience. We're all learning. No comparisons. Everyone's journey is their own. Encourage more then you criticize. Uplift, don't tear down. Family comes first, always. In this house, we show up for each other. Thank you for watching.